Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I hope you all are enjoying the series that are going on my channel, and I hope you people have already participated in the giveaway. And here I am having my anniversary makeup look for you all. So most of you did wanted me to go ahead and share my anniversary makeup look with you all because I was getting way too many Instagram requests. So I did went ahead and shared with you all because I did went ahead and filmed it while I was getting ready for my anniversary. So I hope you all will enjoy today's video. If you people do, don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. So without wasting any time further or without saying anything further, let's just straight away jump into the video and see how I got this flawless looking makeup look. Here I'm starting off with my aloe vera gel. The foundation that I was using today does something to the pores which is like not really acceptable, so I just used to prime my face. Then taking the concealer, this one is by LA Girl. This is the Pro HD concealer, and I'm just going to apply it under my eye area, and I'm going to blend it all out and over my eyelid and under my eye area. That's it. And then I'm taking the 2-in-1 concealer plus foundation by Milani, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it all over my face. This is a full coverage foundation, which is something that I love, and it conceals and highlights, brightens, hides, does everything to the skin that you need to be done. And 2 pumps of it is more than enough for covering your entire face, which is something that I love. Spreading foundation is like really very good deed. So my foundation blending takes a little while. So here it is finished. Now I'm taking the compact powder. This one is by Chambord. This is the shade Light one, and I am using the shade called R5, and I'm just going ahead and applying it all over my face to give my face that sculpted look. Now I'm taking the banana shade from the Pro Stroke palette. This one is by Freedom, and I'm just going to have a highlight my face with the help of it. Under eye area first of all. Now as summers would be coming, you would notice that I am going to switch over from cream products to powder products to achieve the same look, but in a distinct manner. I just love doing that in summers. I don't like having way too many cream products. Now taking the Master Studio palette by Maybelline, I'm just going to warm up my face with the help of the contouring shade that is present in that palette. It is known as contouring shade, but it's like way too brown to be a contouring shade. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this contouring shade. This is the lighter contouring shade from the Freedom Pro Stroke palette only, and this is what is known as contouring because it's just this sculpts, not warms up. So taking the same shade with a smaller brush, this one is by Faces, I'm just going to go ahead and groom my nose. Now nose contouring is something which I am very religious and regular about. Now I'm taking the same banana shade from the Freedom Pro palette, and I'm just going to highlight the usual areas of my face, the T-zone actually, and just going to clean up underneath my contour a little bit to give it a little bit more of a dimension. As you guys can see, it's doing the same job but in a distinct manner. So just try it out, it would work really well. Even with the cream contouring product and highlighting products, it works the same. Now taking the blusher from the same palette, I'm just going to go ahead and apply it onto the apples of the cheeks of mine and give myself that little bit of a health. If that makes any sort of a sense to you people, it does to me. So I'm taking the highlighter from the same palette, and I'm just going to be very natural with it because my husband is like not way too much of a fan of that disco highlighter thing going on. So I usually, when I am going away with him, I just try and avoid to be a disco light. That's it. So here I'm highlighting my rest of the face and then going ahead with my Miracle sponge, just running it over my face to give myself a flawless look. Taking the Balm Meet Match Nude palette in the matte wood shade, I'm just going to go ahead and groom my brows. Whenever I'm in rush, this is my ritual that I do go ahead with a powder product. It could be any powder product to groom my brows because it just gives you a little bit more space to commit mistakes, as well as it just gets corrected really very soon. So I just love to go ahead and use a powder product, and eyeshadow works best. Now I'm coming a little bit closer to you people, and I'm using this Miss Claire eyeshadow in the shade 508, and I'm using a blending brush for this, tapping off the excess because this is really like really pigmented. I wasn't expecting an eyeshadow of 150 rupees could be so pigmented. So here you can see me, I'm just extending it onto the outer V and then bringing it towards the inner corner of my eye. I'm actually basically giving my eyes that a sculpt which I do want them to have. I did wanted to have a sculpted look, a little bit of a dimension to be shown on my eyelids. It's just something that is a personal preference of mine. I know my husband doesn't prefer it, but I love doing at least this much to my eyes. So here you people can see me, I'm just building up and blending that color as beautifully and as evenly as I possibly could. So here that it is quite finished. So now I'm taking this white shade from the Freedom Pro Stroke palette only. I told you guys it's just going to be a really very regular sort of a makeup look. I'm not going to use multiple products for doing this, and applied it onto the lid area of mine. Then taking the L'Oreal Super Liner Gel Intensa 16 hours eyeliner. I did wanted the longevity to be there. I am using it to line my eyes, and I am using the brush that I did customized. I did mention this thing earlier that I did had this brush which was like of no use to me. It was a liner brush, but it was too thick to be a liner brush, so I did went ahead and cut it a few bristles of it, and now it works just perfectly fine. When it comes up to makeup, it's all about experimenting. If you people try to experiment with multiple stuff, you would come to know what works the best with you. And here you can see me, I'm just taking the same brush and running it around my lower lash line. So only experiment can tell you what will work for you and how it will work for you. My liner application has improved a lot due to this brush. Now I'm taking the same red shade and I'm just smoking it out on my lower lash line. Switching over to my lips, this is a surprise, guys. I am using the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade called Heartbreaker, which is a gift from my husband, which is another surprise because he went ahead onto the Nykaa's website himself and did order this shade for me. And I'm really thankful to him that he didn't got confused between Heartbreaker and Cheerleader like other people, and he did went ahead with the true red shade, which is Heartbreaker and not Cheerleader. And I'm really happy with this gift which he gave me. So here I am switching up and applying a little bit of a bindi because it was my anniversary. I did have to do that. And here you can see me, I'm just going ahead with my mascara. This is the Sheer Delight mascara by Chambord, and I personally felt that I didn't look this beautiful in ages, I guess. I hope you all have liked this makeup tutorial as well. It was a quick one, and if you people liked it, please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. So with that being said, I'll take your all sleep and I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, just stay blessed. Bye bye.